Hey, yo! What's up? It's a day. It's a Saturday. Yes, and I'm here. I'm here. What is this? Novo Mesto. Kulandia. Waiting. Huh? New City. I'm here with Smotana. You know my mom? Remember her? That's her. She's blowing him, you see? Putting inside. So what's happening here? I'm here. We're gonna pick up the Junali. We're gonna pick up Profix and we are heading to Croatia, Zagreb. Today is Infogamer Rebot. So make sure to stay to check out how it's gonna be, or I don't know, whatever. One and only Delic! AK Delic, AK Profix. How are you, Delic?
Fine, fine.
Ajde, gledaj u kameru. Look at the camera, don't be shy. Where are we gonna go?
Zagreb.
What are you gonna do there? I don't know.
See the YouTubers from Balkan.
And watch the camera here. Camera,
I'm
look in
shy.
the eye. You're not supposed to be shy. You're gonna be professional Counter-Strike Go player. Here you go, guys. Junali in a person. The UFO person. How are you?
I'm pretty good.
Pretty good. You're gonna be on YouTube, by the way, you know? Make it good, man. Don't be embarrassed. What is this car? Look at the Junali GTI Garage Familia. So Junali came here. He's gonna park his awesome car. GTI, Facebook, everybody, Garage Familia. I will wait. Break necks and kill egos. I'll bring my S2K and we're gonna see who's gonna kill ego. Oh ho ho! Nice GTI, man. Music is awesome. So Junali, are we going to Zagreb? We're going to Zagreb. Let's go. We are going, we are flying. Junali is checking the latest nude pictures from his boyfriend. Profix.
And we are driving and
We're gonna what? What kind of? I was a bus driver. What the hell? I was a driving instructor. I can watch flying, look. Ah, look at it. The same one. This is my friend from Croatia, Crow Dread. He's killer in PUBG. He kills all the flies around the enemy, you know? We're gonna go to get some tickets. And how are you, buddy? Very good. I'm. Let's go. Yes, car. Where are the cards? Let's come in the steamer. Infogamer, Croatia, Zagreb, and the redhead, and plenty young guys around her. She's very, very, very happy. She needs them, a lot of energy. But we're here for the Infogamer. Let's go! Are you guys happy? Are you happy? Look, they hug a little bit smarter. Aj malo hugaj, malo sandviča. De malo. U štini za guzicu malo. A little bit. Okay, we're going in, guys. Let's go see what's going on. PUBG. Where's the PUBG, guys?
This is a dog.
They think they are there. We're gonna go check it out. We are here in Zagreb. It looks nice. There's a lot of people. Much better than in Slovenia, but not even close to the TwitchCon. But doesn't matter. I'm happy that something is happening here. How do you like it, my friend?
It's fucking good.
Good. We're here at the Counter-Strike Go stage. Profix is getting orgasmus when he's watching this shit. Yes, do not. So yeah, there's a tournament from Serbia and Croatia right now. We're gonna check out some things here, then we're gonna go try to find a PUBG stage. Here we are, PUBG. This is the field, the battlefield. All noobs are gathered here. Noobare, noobare, noobare. All. They're all potato. Everybody potato. They don't know the king or their manu. Šta ste se sakrili zečevi? Evo ih. They're all in the background. They're all hiding and laughing. So we're gonna check out the PUBG field. See? It's awesome, amazing. Let's go. Who is potato? Me? No, this is potato. Hey, potato! To potato! You're my best friend in the games, man. Dude. Potato aim. Evo ljudi čekaju za ćevape, džaba kobacice, ćevape, sve se jede, evo. Jesmo gladni ljudi? Jesmo. Tako je, bit će sve džaba. Kod mame i kod Ribot Infogamera. Ljudi se ubijaju za kobasice. Onaj gladnik nije jeo godinu dana, eno ga. Ti nisi jeo, jel tako? Samo jedi, da budeš veliki pametan ko što smo mi. Okay, I was joking, guys. How do you say gužva in English?
Rush hour.
He doesn't know. All these people are here for the popular YouTuber Muja and Chale. They are cursing their mothers on each other every time they stream. Hey, look at this shit. They're somewhere there. Kadar jebem vas, ja. We tried to get in, they don't allow us. I tried to use my Twitch powers and my Supreme YouTuber powers, but they didn't do shit. I told them that my son is hardly waiting to play the game, but you know, they said, you know, take him to the playground in the backyard. So that he's crying right now. Rodred, what are we gonna do? Nothing. We're gonna beat their ass. I said I want to give you chicken dinner. They said we never saw a chicken dinner in the life. That's why I gotta show you. Do you think we're gonna show them chicken dinner? And now I will represent you, one and only, Chmario. The Chmario powers. Evo ga, Chmario, Mario, one and only Chmario. You know we stream this on Twitch. We love the Chmario. If you never played Chmario, you can't call yourself a gamer. Hey people, Profix and Junali, they gave me a present, guys. I can't believe it. Thank you very much. We got PUBG necklace. Thank you very much. PUBG. Oh my God, squad. We're gonna play squads. We're gonna play some squad.
I'm gonna play first time.
He's gonna play first time. He's gonna lose virginity. Now I'm gonna show you the card collectors, the card players. You can see them here. There are so many of them. To je ta gamer, to je ta sila što ja želim da upoznam. Vičune prava pionirska, original, prazno, lomite mi srce, a gdje su moji štapici? Dobice, tako mi sve cure kažu, dobice.
I'm in your lane like it's only 3 seconds to score to win the game. Came to bring the ultimate pain of
Stop, DJ! Okay, people, Dino is VIP YouTube lunch with awesome YouTubers, streamers, Twitchers, porn actors and everything. So we have somebody here which is Cost Malin. Cost Malin! No. So who is this guy? Who are you, my friend? Can you speak English or just Russia English?
I speak Russian English, which means that I don't know.
Okay, I will translate for you. So he is actually a Russian guy who escaped from the movie Red Scorpion from 80s. If you don't know, he was actually the first guy who would be for an actor in instead of Dolph Lundgren. I think that movie is older than you. You know the Red Scorpion, Dolph Lundgren?
The new edition of that movie will be with Mia Khalifa.
PUBG, you know, mixed edition.
Yes.
Okay, who are you, man? Tell me something about you.
I'm Croatian YouTuber.
What do you do on a YouTube?
Gameplays, vlogs, sex and rock and roll.
He likes to show his dick
I like to go deep inside,
to special person people.
deep inside where her spirit lies.
Nice man. So what are we doing here?
We are begging for subscribers to subscribe us.
We're trying to expand our viewership and get some more money.
Yeah, we are collecting
nude pictures.
We are collecting knowledge about sex, about YouTube, and about drugs, right?
Hey, tell me how many bitches you banged from the YouTube?
I would put it on 8, but the 8 goes like this.
Infinity, say.
Infinity, bro.
Can you share me some nudes, please?
And boys,
We
can do it live.
We can reshare, bro, man. You give me more, I give you mine. So.
We can do it. I do you, you do me. That's too much.
Yeah. Thank you very much for this awesome story. I hope you very well in your job and to be awesome as you are.
I wish same to you, my friend from the Russian PUBG.
And now I'm gonna show you some people here on the other side of the camera. And now we hear Muja, who doesn't want to talk with us, you know, because he's very famous person. He doesn't care about us. He just goes to eat cevapi. Bring us some cevapi, Muja. He's like, I don't know if I have enough of money. So who are you guys?
Hello, my friends. I'm Russian streamer, Zombie Gringo,
You look like a
Nene.
Russian.
and I like to drink vodka on stream.
Vodka from the balls down,
Vodka.
deep down.
And he drinks vodka with me, and then we fuck some boys. I mean bitches.
Doesn't matter. Sex is
vodka,
sex.
Male.
The
He was the first person on stream.
sex is sex. It doesn't matter. And who are you, my friend?
I'm a Russian porn actor.
Youngteen.com.
Ti si zajeb onoga.
Check us
Onoga.
on youngteen.com.
He don't speak Russian English.
But last movie was with Mia Khalifa,
Mia,
and that's why she retired.
did she couldn't stand the heat.
Couldn't stand the heat and the meat. That's why she's now retired. And
Okay.
No, it wasn't Mia Khalifa, it was me.
I think she ate you guys and she chew you up and just spit you on the floor. You were like nothing to her, bro. She's like, give me warm up.
You see this, smell us again.
She's like, give me the warm up, boys.
She didn't
I
get
need
anything to eat.
I need-
mean, look at this. Where are the legs, bro?
Massa. This
Bro,
is
it's
massa.
thick legs.
Bruce Lee style, bro. Bruce Lee style.
Fire.
Bruce Lee style definition, bro.
No,
Toothpick
this is
style.
Genghis Khan.
Toothpick.
Toothpick style.
Toothpick style.
Pokomolka style.
but
So-
Mia Khalifa, if you see this video, please subscribe
Yeah.
and
Please,
hit me DM on Instagram.
please come back to him. You broke his heart. I'm out. Bye bye. Who the fuck are you, man?
What the fuck is going
Who
on here?
the? Look at this guy, man. This guy didn't see the hairstyler for years. Hey bro, I'll pay you a hairstyler, man. What do you play? Fucking PUBG?
What do I play?
Who are you?
Name's Vada, man. It's an honor. What do I play, right? Was that the
You
question?
play with balls, I know that.
Yeah, well, of course I play. Well,
Relocate them, bro.
brother.
Oh my god, you're touching the balls in front of so many people.
Yeah, but the girl saw my man.
And that was him. Bye bye. See you later, alligator. Okay, guys, we are reaching the end of our Info Gamer. We got Junali still here. We got Skupljac, Croatian streamer. So we finally met each other. He has to answer to his mom when he's gonna come home. We're watching the Counter-Strike Go tournament, and I hope you liked our small, I mean, not so long video. And subscribe, like, share, come on my Twitch. And Junali, what you gonna say for the end? Skupljac.
Beach.
See you soon, I guess. Soon, guess.